Good morning. Per capita energy consumption is discussed in this video. Per capita energy consumption. This refers to the average amount of energy consumed per person in a particular country. The per capita energy consumption is very high in developed countries like USA, German and European countries, and it is moderate in the developing countries, and it is very poor in developed in underdeveloped countries. So the per capita energy consumption is a metric is crucial for understanding and comparing energy use and availability among different populations. The per capita energy consumption is too low for India as compared to developed countries. It's just 4% of USA and 20% of the world average. Per capita consumption is likely to grow in India with growth in economy, thus increasing the energy demand. In 2023, India's electricity consumption per capita was 985 kilowatt hour. In 2022, India's primary consumption per capita was 729 kilowatt hour per person, which was an all-time high. Primary energy consumption is different from electricity consumption, and it uses other energy resources also. Factors that increase energy consumption are include electricity access, ownership of appliances, and economic growth. Per capita energy consumption in kilowatt hour for 2013 and 2013, that is Canada 15520, USA 12987, and Australia 10,067, Japan 7,836, France 7,382, UK 5,409, world average is 3,020, and India 957. Per capita energy consumption is growing rapidly. In the year 2011, it is only 2064. Nowadays, it is 25,911. Thank you.